When it comes to writing Python asyncio code, not all AI models are created equal. Grok, from xAI, and Gemini, from Google, both offer code generation, but their approaches to asynchronous programming differ in meaningful ways. In a test of a typical async web scraper, Grok produced concise code using the standard asyncio library, while Gemini leaned on its own helper functions and more verbose error handling. Both generated syntactically correct coroutines, but Grok's output was more idiomatic for developers already familiar with asyncio patterns, while Gemini's result included additional safety checks that could benefit less experienced programmers. For CPU-bound tasks, neither model defaulted to multiprocessing, but both correctly suggested using asyncio.to_thread when prompted. The key takeaway is that the best choice depends on the developer's context. Grok favors brevity and convention, while Gemini prioritizes robustness and clarity. Understanding these stylistic differences helps developers pick the right tool for their async workflows.